Hello and welcome back again to this course of AutoCAD, and today we're going to learn the scale command, that is 2D command, and it's very important. So let's understand it by an example. Before proceeding, let's describe something about this scale command. It is basically used to enlarge all the dimensions of an object which we have drawn, and we give some multiplier and then it will be enlarged as per the multiplier which we have given. So let's draw a circle and a rectangle, and suppose we want to enlarge this rectangle 3 times to the dimension of this rectangle. So let's click on this scale command and select the object. One object has been selected, okay, as it is so that is specify opposite corner, and then press space bar, and now you have to select the reference point by which you want to, if you want to enlarge it from the center, and in the center will be here as it is, but all the dimension will enlarged as per the multiplier will given. So I'm going to enlarge it from this corner. Just click on the corner, and now you can see here it is enlarging as my mouse is moving, or I'm dragging my mouse towards the outside of this rectangle. So let's give a scale factor. Suppose I want to enlarge it 3 times as it is, so give 3, that will be the scale factor or multiplier of all the dimensions, and press enter or spacebar. Here it has been enlarged, okay. You can also enlarge an object as per the dimension of other object which you have already. You use this by using the copy. Let's enlarge this rectangle by 1.5 times. Let's enlarge this circle by 1.5 times. Again, click on the scale command and select circle, press the space bar, specify the base point and enlarge the 1.5. You see here it is giving the copy or a reference, so you can use this copy or a reference to match the dimension of other object or the similar object, okay. So you just enlarge right now by giving their scale factor to make you understand better. Just 1.5 times and press enter. Okay, it's been enlarged, you can see here. So this is the scale command, you must remember it. It is also saves or times during the design or working on our drawings. Thank you, see you in the next lecture.